What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we're drawing Sarvente from Friday Night Funkin. Let's get started at the top of our page with the lower edge of the crown. We're going to start over on the left side. We're going to draw a curve that goes up in the middle and we'll bend that down on the right side. And then from the ends we're just going to connect it with a half circle. We'll come down towards the bottom of the head, round this out, and then go back up on the right. Now from here we're going to go in and add in the eyes. Let's start all the way over on the left side, draw a straight line coming in, leave a small gap. We're going to angle this up and out towards the right. Now on the left side we're going to connect the ends with a curve. We're going to go up towards the top of the eye, then back down. And then on the right we're going to go a little bit higher. We're going to go all the way up towards the top and then bend that back down. Let's add in some eyelashes. On top of the left eye, draw a short angled line going up towards the right. Do the same thing on the right side. And on the bottom corner, draw a short line going out. Let's move to the center and draw in the mouth. We start over on the left, curve this down and back up. And then we'll add those lines inside the head. Starting from the top of the head, come down, bend that out underneath the eye, continue out along the bottom. And we'll do the same thing on the right. Coming straight down and bend that over towards the left. Let's draw the side of the crown. Starting from the top left corner, angle up and out towards the top. Do the same thing on the right side. Now we're going to overlap that cross on top of the hat. Starting from this point, just going to angle this down and out. Going back up to the top, we're going to angle this down and in. Let's trace the cross around the outside. From the bottom, step out, angle this up towards the top. I'm going to follow this line going up towards the left. Step in, pull this down and in, leave a gap, come down along the bottom. Now I'm going to extend these two lines up towards the top. Let's add those points along the four ends. Starting from the bottom, curve this down and out. Same thing along the bottom. I'm going to pull this in and down towards the center point. Let's do the same thing along the top. Just going to flare out the ends. Pull that back in and up towards the middle. And then we'll do the same thing along the sides. Now you want to pull the crown going up and in toward the center point. Let's start from the inside of the cross, draw a straight angle line going all the way up toward the top, right in the middle, and it goes down and out towards the right. Let's layer another cross in behind the head on the right side. Starting from this point, angle up and out, step down, angle this down and in. Now I'm just going to draw this bottom portion. Coming down, step over, pull that in behind the head. And then again, we'll add those pointed tips. Now that we've drawn the head, let's move down and draw on the top edge of the body. Starting underneath the head, we're going to draw two lines. One coming down from the left, and then one on the right. And then from the bottom of the neck, draw two short lines going out towards the side. Let's go to the left side, draw a straight line coming down, and then up on the right, we're just going to angle this down and out. Let's connect the ends with a curve, going up the middle, and then back down. Let's layer the top half of the body in behind that collar. From this top point, we're going to step down, draw another short line going out, come straight down to right about there, angle this down and back towards the hip. I'm going to go to this point on the right side, curve the chest going around, and then pulling that in. I'm going to step back out, draw a straight angle line coming down towards the same height. Let's connect the hips with a curve, coming down the middle, and then back up, and then we'll step up and draw that same curve again. Now underneath this collar, we're going to draw two straight angle lines coming down towards the middle. Let's start with the left, and then the right side. And then we'll add a ribbon. Starting from the top, Draw a straight line coming down toward that point. We'll draw another line going across. Let's add a little bit more detail to the collar. Starting underneath the chin, and go down and out. Come down and in toward the middle. And I'll add 2 small black dots for the buttons. Now from here, let's work our way around the outside of the left leg. Starting from the hip, put this out and then down. And move this down and in. Let's go to the right hip, draw another angled line coming down towards the same height we have on the left. Let's go back to the left side, draw a straight line coming all the way down towards the heel. Flatten off the bottom with a short line. Go back up with a short line and go down towards the bottom of the foot. Now from here, we're just going to draw a straight line going out towards the toe. We'll round out the foot and pull that in. Let's go all the way back up to the top and add a curve for the bottom edge of the skirt. And go up and then bend that down. Now we're going to draw the inside edge of the left leg. Stepping in, we're just going to angle this down and in on top of the left foot. Now let's bend the right leg in behind the left leg. Starting up here from the knee, angle down and in, round out the foot, going out, round out the toe, and then pull that back in. And we'll go back up to the top, draw the inside edge of the leg. Coming down towards the knee, angle down and in behind the left leg. Let's go back up to the top, step down and add a curve, going up and then down, and then we'll line this up on the right. Let's add those straps. Right in the middle, draw a straight line coming down, and then draw a straight angle line going across. Now I'm going to go back up and draw on the left arm. Let's start with the shoulder, starting from this point, curve the arm going out, and then down, angle down and out with a short line, come back down and in. It's going to round out the shoulder, and in and then down on the inside, pull this up and in behind the body. From the bottom corners, we're going to angle these out, connect the ends with a curve, and we'll add 3 lines in the side. Now the arm's going to get tucked in underneath the sleeve. On the outside, let's step in, angle down and out with a straight line. From the inside, step out, draw another angled line. Now you want to overlap the cuff on top of the arm. Starting on the left, step out, just going to overlap the arm, and we'll pull this down and in towards the wrist. Let's connect the ends with a curve. Now we're going to add a seam along the inside with a straight angled line, and then we'll add 2 small X's on the left side. Let's go to the inside corner of the cuff, curve the thumb coming down and in, round up the thumb, and then pull that back up. Let's straighten out the index finger, coming down and out, round up the finger, pull that back in. Now from the top of the cuff, I'm just going to curve this down and out on top of the finger. Let's add the 3rd finger in behind. We go out, round up the finger, and then pull that back in behind the hand. Let's move back over towards the right side and draw the hand holding the mic. We're going to start up here and draw a circle, going all the way around, and then back up towards the top. And then starting from the bottom left, we're going to draw a series of curves, coming down and across, step up, and just repeat this all the way up towards the top. And then from the top, we're going to curve this out and down towards the left side. Now you want to wrap the fingers around the mic, starting from the bottom left, curve out and in, go to the opposite side, go in the opposite direction, and they'll connect the bottom with a straight line. Let's do that again. Rounding out the ends of the fingers, and connecting them with a straight line, and we'll do that one more time. Let's go to the inside of the top finger, draw a straight line coming in, curve the thumb coming down and bending that out. And now we're going to draw on the handle. Starting underneath this bottom finger, draw 2 straight lines coming down, connect the bottom with a straight line. Now we're going to tuck the sleeve and the arm in behind the body and the mic. Starting from the top of the shoulder, step down, curve out, and then down, round at the shoulder, and then pull that back in toward the side of the body. And then from the bottom of the shoulder, angle down and out in behind the hand. Let's go underneath the shoulder, angle down and out, pull that up underneath the mic. Let's add that same trim along the top, stepping down, curve across, and then we'll add 2 lines on the inside. Now let's add that large veil in behind the head and the body. From this top point, we're going to step down on the left, angle up and out, curve this down in behind the cross, continue in between, then out towards the side. Let's draw that veil coming down and around the arm. Starting from the top, draw a straight line coming down in behind the bottom of the cross, continue along the bottom, just going to bend this down, then out around the hand, and we'll bend that back down. Let's go over towards the right side of the head, curve this down and out in behind the mic. We're going to continue along the side of the hand, going down and out, round at the end, and then pull that back in. Now you want to create a fold along the outside of the veil, starting from the bottom, bend this out, up, and in behind the arm. Let's go all the way up to the top, bend this up underneath the head. And then on the left side, curve this up and in behind the hand. Let's go all the way up towards the top of the shoulder, bend this in and up towards the side. Now you want to show the back of the veil in behind the legs. From this point, let's step up, curve this up and in behind the leg, continue along the inside, and cross and down toward the left, go to the left side of the leg, bend this down and then up in behind the hand. And that's pretty much it. There's Sarvente from Friday Night Funkin'. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. Make sure you subscribe and send me your requests in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again soon.